to Kiddo Kids.
Juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box. Not your everyday, ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box.
Kiddo Kids.
കണികാണും നേരം കമലനേത്രന്റെ നിറമേറും മഞ്ഞത്തുകൾ ചാർത്തി കനകക്കിങ്ങിണി വളകൾ മോതിരം അണിഞ്ഞു കാണണം ഭഗവാനെ കണി കാണും നേരം കമലനേത്രന്റെ നിറമേറും മഞ്ഞത്തുകൾ ചാർത്തി കനകക്കിങ്ങിണി വളകൾ മോതിരം അണിഞ്ഞു കാണണം ഭഗവാനെ.
Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids and a very happy Vishu.
Hello, after a long time, right? We are back again with Kiddo Kids.
കൊതിച്ചു നിൽക്കുകയായിരുന്നു നിങ്ങളെ
Yes, to see you again. And now we are totally happy, isn't it?
We are back in a powerful
day,
compact.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we are back on this special day itself.
It's Vishu. Yes.
Yeah, right. And that way, see, we are in the traditional dresses.
Yes, traditional
Surya
dress.
is in jubba, I am in pattu pavada.
Yeah, and Riya is looking so beautiful that
Thank you.
she's better than everybody else.
Thank you so much. And Surya, you're also looking so handsome.
Thank you.
Okay, and today's Vishu, I'm really sure that everyone would have.
Yes, everybody will know the importance of Vishu.
Everyone will be knowing. And there are some people who don't know.
Yes.
And for that also we are keeping a special
We
program.
will teach them what is the importance.
Yes. And but before about that, everyone got Kainettam. I'm
Kainettam.
really sure we got Kainettam. That way only all the children will be so happy.
Yeah, most of the children only know that because
Yes.
like, Vishu, I remember, they will like think of Kainettam. How
And-
much we will get, they will think
Yeah,
of
I
that.
know. And only this dresses and Kainettam.
Yes, Kodi.
Okay,
Kodi.
and now we'll go to our first caller.
Yeah, first caller.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you,
Hi, what's your name?
Kalyani.
Kalyani. Okay, Kalyani, from where are you calling?
I'm calling from Dubai.
Dubai.
You're calling from Dubai. Dubai where?
Dubai.
Karama.
Kissing.
Al-Gisis.
Okay, Alkisis. Okay, which grade are you studying in?
I'm in grade 4.
You're in grade 4.
And a happy
Okay.
Vishu.
Thank you. Happy you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, did you Kani Handa?
Did you have a good sight?
Okay, you got Kainettam from your parents and
Parents and your relatives?
Yeah.
all? Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
How much did you get total? 600, 700, 800?
I mean, 100.
100. Oh, okay. Usually during this Kainettam giving, right, me and my brother really fight because
Yes.
we'll see who got more, who got less.
Yeah, most of the people fight. If like my sister gets more, I take it from her. If I
Yeah,
get
no,
more,
so many things go on.
Yes.
Okay, do you have a brother or sister?
I have one brother and one sister.
so
You have a brother and sister. What are their names?
My sister's name is Meenakshi and my brother's name is Harihar.
Meenakshi is in
Okay.
which standard?
Meenakshi is in grade 2.
Grade 2.
2.
And you're the elder person?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so how are they? They are very naughty or they are good?
Or they're good or they're
Smart.
quiet?
How are they? You like them?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, okay, fine. Which school are you studying in?
I'm studying in James Avaron Indian School.
Okay, Gems Chevron
അപ്പോൾ
English.
ഒരു ഹൈഫൈ നമ്മള് രണ്ടുപേരും ജെംസ് കമ്പനിയിലുള്ള സ്കൂളിലാണ്.
Okay, so that's same here, right?
Yes.
Okay, but I'm in different school. I'm in Indian high school. Okay, you told that you got Kainettam and you saw Kani. Ale,
Yes.
so you got new dresses and all?
New dresses, yeah, I got.
പക്ഷേ റിയ ഒരു കാര്യം വിട്ടുപോയല്ലോ.
Mm.
സദ്യ കഴിച്ചോ?
Yeah. Hello, Kalyani.
Yeah.
Did you eat sadhya?
Yeah, I ate.
Yeah. What all type of dishes were there?
Dishes were there. Okay, this is our question.
Ah.
Tell 5 different curries name.
Yeah. Which you
Yes.
ate today in the sadhya?
Yes.
Okay, you know the pickle?
Yes. Pickle.
Which pickle? Mango, lemon. Which pickle?
Mango.
Mango. Okay. That's so tasty. Then which is the second one?
Then you know sambar.
Yes, sambar. The
Sambar.
most tastiest dish.
No, she's
Then-
telling, do you know sambar?
Yes, of course we will
Of
be
course
knowing.
we know that.
Yeah. Then which is the third one now?
Then potato.
Potato.
uh,
Potato
pot-
what?
Potato what?
Potato curry.
Okay,
Potato
okay.
fry.
Yes. The potato curry.
Okay,
no, that,
yeah, okay.
Spicy
that's
one.
so tasty. Okay,
Then
I'm
which is
feeling
the fourth?
hungry now, you know, Surya.
Riya, stop telling me that or I will run away now.
Okay, which is the fifth one now? Okay, okay, avial.
Avial. Who's telling owl?
Okay, yeah. So wait. I think I missed out one.
One more.
Sambar, avial, potato
Pickle.
fry,
And
pickle.
pickle.
Yeah,
And one more is
more
there.
you have to tell. Sorry.
Not potato fry, potato curry.
Potato curry.
Curry.
Okay, potato curry. Then one more you have to tell me.
Okay, one more. You know what?
Only sambar, you know.
Parippu. Okay, you have completed the task. Very good. So who is being helping you there? Back?
My mother.
Okay.
Your
so
mother.
We go tell her thank you first. Tell her thank you. Hello.
Hello?
Who's
Hello.
crying?
Kalyani, you told your mother thank you.
Yeah.
Kalyani, who's crying over there?
My brother.
Why
Yes.
is crying?
You
He
better.
wants the phone to talk.
Okay, no
Oh.
problem. Give him the phone. We'll talk.
If he can talk, then you give him.
No, he can't talk.
Oh, okay. So that means he's too small. So it's okay. After
Yes.
some days he can call us.
So Kalyani, you should call us again and we
Yes.
should meet.
Okay.
Yes, so
So
bye.
bye bye.
Bye bye. Happy
And
wish you.
once again, happy wish you.
Wish you. Yes. Happy.
Bye bye.
Bye, thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.
Okay, ഇപ്പോൾ കല്യാണി
അപ്പൊ
had
ഫസ്റ്റ്
called
കോളർ
us.
കല്യാണി ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ
Yeah, and-
കല്യാണിക്ക് ഒരു സിസ്റ്ററും ഒരു ബ്രദറും ഉണ്ട്.
Yeah, and we
പിന്നെ-
totally enjoyed with her. That's a great thing, right?
Yes.
And she also told she got gynaetum, she got new dresses,
Yeah.
and she had very good sight in the early morning.
Yes.
So
Kali.
today, our topic is about Vishu, and
Vishu.
whoever calls us, somebody or the other should tell us about
About Vishu.
Yeah, right. We know very less things about Vishu.
Vishu.
So you guys have to
You
teach us
should
more.
teach us. But we are acting that we don't know what we know.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys will be teaching us because we don't know anything. And
Yes.
to teach you guys also, we have a special
We
thing
have a
that's coming
special,
up.
yes,
but
that's-
not now.
Now,
okay?
after
We are
some time.
waiting for you to come.
Yes.
Okay, Surya, how much you saw Kani?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, how was it in the early morning?
The most bad thing is it waking up early.
Okay, the most thing which you hate is waking up in the early morning.
So like first I woke up, then going the house was like this, like this, like this, like this.
Okay,
Then
anyways, you won't be knowing, right? You won't see, right?
So
First
I
of
was
all-
like,
Okay, you was peeping out, huh? Okay, fine. Before we come about your Vishesham,
Yes,
we
we have a
go
caller?
to a call. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, we go to our second call. Hello.
Hello, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Hello?
Hello, happy Vishu.
Wish you.
Thank you.
What
What's
is
your
your
name?
name?
Yes,
Yes,
Sachin.
Sachin.
It was a guess. Hi, welcome back. but-
Welcome back,
I mean,
Sachin.
No, you are supposed to tell us, welcome
Yes.
back. How are you? How was your Vishu and all? Sorry? You're not celebrating?
No.
Why? Why?
Oh, why? What happened?
Nothing I didn't wait.
Okay, nothing you did. Okay, it's fine. And anyways, next time you should celebrate, okay?
If you don't celebrate,
Okay. Okay, where is Shreya?
Shreya.
I give it to her.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, give it to her.
So happy to talk now. Hello.
Hello, give to Shreya.
Yeah. Hello, Shreya. Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Happy Onam.
Happy
sorry,
Vishu.
sorry. Happy Vishu. Hello, Shreya.
Yeah, same to you.
Oh, thank you so much. Did you eat sadhya?
Sadhya,
Oh, that
did
is
you get Kainitam?
It's on the Ella.
Okay, not on the Ella.
Okay, did you get Kainitam?
Maybe in the evening.
Okay, maybe in the evening. Okay,
Okay.
Shreya, നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഒരു പാട്ട് കേൾക്കാൻ കൊതിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഒരു
Yes.
പാട്ട് പാടൂ please.
Okay, we are giving you a task, okay? Okay,
task,
fine.
task.
You want a task or a riddle or a GK question? We'll give you the
Task
option.
is awesome. Yes.
Task, okay. Fine. The task, you or me? Hala.
Yeah, I will say.
Okay.
The task is that you should sing a song related to Vishu.
Vishu.
നമ്മൾ ആദ്യമേ പാടിയ പാട്ടായിരിക്കാം പാടാൻ ഇഷ്ടമെങ്കിൽ അത് പാടാം.
I don't know any wishes song.
Any song.
Any
Okay,
song.
any God song, any song.
Any traditional
Just
song?
2 lines or 3 lines.
Yeah, 2-3 lines.
I don't know any song. Wishes.
No, nothing.
Okay, any
fine.
God song, you know, any song of the God.
Yeah.
Yeah, sing.
Yeah, okay, fine. Sing.
I don't know my religion.
Sorry.
I don't know my religion.
That no problem.
Okay, so all the religion is
Just
one only, no?
Only one. That is bad.
Okay, fine. You just sing.
നല്ലൊരു ദേശം എത്ര സുന്ദര ദേശം നമുക്കേശം മുഴക്കും ഒരു ശാശ്വത ഭവനം.
Okay, thank you
Yes,
so
good.
much.
അപ്പോൾ
Okay, but
അത്ര spirit കാണിച്ചു.
yeah. Anyways, from now, no, you have to sing for us beautiful, beautiful songs, okay?
Any
And we will
religion,
be.
anything, no problem.
Yeah, because all the religion is
കേൾക്കാൻ
one.
രണ്ടുപേരുണ്ടല്ലോ.
Yeah, then. Okay, so Shreya, you have had your task now, but you
Yes.
didn't complete it perfectly. So we'll be asking the task to anybody else.
Yeah.
But there's a question: who is Chacha Ji? And if you answer this question,
One
it's
gold
not
coin.
here. You have to SMS the answer, and you will get gold coin. Okay?
But so don't tell the answer now.
Don't tell the answer now. You have to SMS us. Okay?
SMS. So it's written down on your TV.
Yeah.
And yeah. So SMS that number now
Okay.
itself. Fast.
Yeah. So now you can give the phone to Sachin now. I want to talk to him.
Welcome
Hello.
back, Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin, these many days it's passed, right? So how did you
Manage.
yeah? Without how is your karate classes and all going?
I'm not going now because
Because
I'm now in senior school.
Yeah, you're in
now
senior
he knows how to
school.
kill people.
Okay.
So I didn't know.
Yeah. So
I decided to go for Saturday clubs in the morning.
Okay.
And I'm really throughout the
So
day.
you're in black belt now.
okay. So what?
I'm in yellow belt still.
Yellow
Yellow
belt
belt
still. So
still.
you stopped karate and you started going to Saturday club classes in the school, right?
I joined last week.
You joined last week. So how is those classes? It's interesting.
It's very good.
It's very good.
Okay.
Okay. What do you go for training?
Artistic club.
Okay.
Artistic club.
So,
Okay.
Sachin, I'm asking a question. That in karate there are different sounds, right? Hui, hui, like that
Okay.
sounds, right? So tell us 5 sounds.
Mm.
But that's more related to Kung Fu.
So what?
Yeah.
Tell.
Okay. You just tell if you know.
We will listen.
Okay, I only know the steps number.
Okay, say.
Okay.
The step one is H,
H,
second one knee, then
knee,
third one sun, then fourth high, then one she.
She.
She. Okay, fine.
H, then sun, then
Hi.
then she. H, sun, no, H, then, okay,
Son.
leave it.
Okay.
He, son, ship, dog. They are the three Japanese words.
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
fine.
this
Anyways.
is the counting of karate, right?
What?
This is like counting like 1, 2, 3. It's in a different language, right?
Yeah, but we see the
Yes, my
Okay,
cousin
anyways.
brother, he's going for karate. He's like a champion of Kerala. His name
Okay.
is Akshay P. And
Akshay P.
Yeah.
Means Akshay. What's his full name?
Akshay, I don't know.
Okay.
He's, yeah.
you're filling your Sama and Sanaka and the part 2.
Yeah.
That's not in the theater here.
What?
He saw.
It's not theater here in Dubai.
No.
Dubai.
He saw Samrajyam too in the theater. I think so. Yeah.
No, no, he didn't say that. What?
I didn't see. Can you tell?
The cinema is not in the theater.
Okay.
No, it didn't release anywhere, first of all. Because they're releasing 3 movies same like that. Means
Okay,
in
but different
Telugu,
language?
in Hindi, in Tamil, no, 4. In Tamil and in
Hindi.
Malayalam.
Oh, Malayalam. Okay.
So 4 movies together, so it'll take some time.
Okay, so that will be quite interesting, right? I'm gonna go watch. Okay, Sachin, you should also go watch. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Sachin,
So,
thank you for
thank
calling.
you for calling.
And-
Appa nammal old friend we met now.
Yeah, I'm so
first
happy,
caller
you know.
like that.
Okay, Sachin.
I
Anyways,
remember when you called me last
when?
in after 31st in the holiday. That time that that is like November 5th and then Ria went.
Okay.
Oh, okay, fine. You're such a good friend, man. You remember everything.
You remember
when we-
everything?
Yeah.
Appa, one day we'll ask you this question that
Yeah. Anyways.
the first day of Kiddo Kids what we said. Okay, so bye.
Okay, so that means you're such a loving friend of us, and we always love you. Okay. So
Bye.
thank you for calling. Tell Shreya.
Bye bye.
Also,
Tell
bye
Shreya
bye.
and tell your mother, father,
Whole family.
whole
Okay.
family. Bye bye. See you. Happy issue.
Okay. So now Sachin had called us, Sachin and Shreya, because they were
Shreya.
our fellow friends
They-
before.
yes.
Not only before, now also,
Now
because
also-
after a long time we're meeting them.
Yeah,
Isn't
we
it?
are calling them.
Yeah. So we were talking about Vishu, right?
Vishu.
And in the early morning, our parents wake us up and they close our eyes and take us
Then
to
take us to the
the Puja Muri.
Puja Muri.
Yeah. And then they open our eyes, and that time we see so beautiful the way they arranged it, right?
Yes, but like our mom arranged the things, right? But in main rule is like who arranges the thing, they should sleep in the Puja Muri.
Okay. So,
So,
they sleep in the Puja Muri.
Yeah, you understood why?
Okay, so, when they
our
get up,
moms wake up, no, so they should close their own eyes and walk.
yeah.
So if
okay.
they sleep in the Puja Muri, when they wake up, they'll see.
Okay, that's so interesting, isn't it?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So these are going by hereditary, right? Isn't
Yes.
it?
Then now it's like now you don't need to sleep in Puja Muri.
Yeah.
or-
So
now it's-
I've never seen my mother getting up in the early morning Vishu, on the Brahma Muhurta, because that time I'll be sleeping so badly that
Yeah.
I won't even know when my mother wakes up. So I think she itself closes her eyes and goes. I've
yeah.
never seen that.
So that's
Now I
so
have to
tough.
see
Our
that.
mom's like,
Oh yeah, really.
we can't walk without one person. So how
Okay.
it will be? So,
Yeah, okay, now we'll go to our third caller.
Third caller.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Yeah, my name is Anamika.
Your name is
Anamika. Hello,
Anamika.
Anamika. Happy Vishu.
Happy, very wish you.
Happy with you.
Okay, Anamika, which grade are you studying in?
I'm in 8th.
Your
You're
name.
in 8th. Okay, which school are you studying in?
I'm new in the school.
New Indian High School.
New Indian
Okay.
High School.
So, Anamika, did you see Kani?
Yeah?
Kani Gando.
Sorry?
Kani Kando Ravale.
Kando.
Kando.
Okay, so how at that particular moment, what did you feel? What did
That
the
particular
thought which
time-
came in your
time.
mind?
Huh?
What did you feel at that particular time when you saw the Kani?
Kani.
all
Did you
this-
Did you feel that the God is standing in front of you?
Yeah. What is the feeling?
Yes,
Okay.
nice.
Okay, so you had how? What all was the decorations and all which your mother did?
Yeah, my mother did, like, she put one pattu sari
Okay.
and then fruits and, you know,
Yeah, fruits and vegetables and stuff like that.
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay.
yeah, poo, kanikamba poo and all.
Yeah.
Konnappu.
Konnappu. Okay.
Kanigandappu.
Okay, Anamika, what is your hobby?
Dancing, singing, drawing, oil paint.
Mine basically singing and drawing.
Okay,
Drawing,
so
yes.
we'll give you a task.
Yeah?
We'll give you a task.
Okay.
Okay, sing a song related to Vishu.
Vishu.
Okay.
Mm.
I should sing.
Yeah, you should sing.
Then what? You will record it and come.
Any song, any devotional songs or anything.
Okay. Based on God?
Yeah, based
Yes,
on
based
God.
on
Any
God.
song.
Mm.
Okay. അമ്പലപ്പുഴേ ഉണ്ണി കണ്ണനോടു നീ എന്തു പരിവന്നില്ലിയോടി വന്നു കൈവിളക്കുകൾ പാടി മിന്നി നിൽക്കവേ എന്തു നൽകുവാൻ നിനക്കാകും പ്രസാദവും മൗന ചുംബനങ്ങളും പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുവാനോടി വന്നതാണ് ഞാൻ രാജചന്ദ്രനമ്മ നെറ്റിയിൽ തൊട്ടാൽ I don't know.
Okay, fine. Anyways, that was super.
That
I
was
love
an
that song.
awesome song.
Okay, anyways, you have completed your task and
Yes.
give your congratulations like this itself. Okay. So, Anamika, you have completed our task. So, that is so beautiful
So
song.
beautiful song.
And do you go to learn music? Okay, the call has been disconnected.
Yes,
okay, I'm
no
really
problem.
sorry,
She
Anamika.
will meet us again. Or
Yeah,
she
she
call
will
us
call
again.
us again. I hope
Yes.
so. Okay. So now, Surya, we were talking about Vishu,
Vishu.
right?
So,
Okay, before we talk about Vishu, we'll go for a short break.
of course.
Okay, we'll come back
Back.
again after a short
Break. Bye bye.
Not your